Why are we having so much success with deep learning now and not in the past? So the reason is because of our ability to store a lot of data and our ability to process that data computationally. For example, GPU clusters or TPUs. TPU stands for tensor processing unit, which is a type of processor that can do a lot of matrix multiplication very quickly. The number of cores is on the order of 1,000 times or more than a CPU. So if a CPU has 4 cores, for example, a GPU could have 1,000 or 4,000 cores. So if you look at, for example, an NVIDIA Titan V, it could have like 6,000 cores or some ridiculous number like that. So that means that you can do a lot of big data processing very quickly, which means you can do a lot of deep learning very quickly, comparatively speaking. And of course, the last ingredient was these algorithms themselves. A new set of deep learning algorithms. So for example, like LSTMs, CNNs, and so on and so forth, that allow us to do things that we couldn't do before.